Hi, welcome to AI Rapid Fire session. Here we explore real world stories behind success. I'm your host Vinay Kedari, working as a solutions associate at Pronix. Today we are going to know some real world scenarios to be successful in AI development. To help us all these, I'm excited to join with 𝐸-𝐸. She's working as a project manager at Luckie. Also, she had expertise in business analysis, quality assurance. Throughout her career, she has worked with multiple organizations and successfully led various challenges in her professional journey. Warm welcome to Tinju to our podcast and thanks for joining. I would love to have a brief intro about your experience.
Vinay, thank you for having me. I'm 𝐸-𝐸. I have been with Lucky for over 4 years now. During my time here, I have won multiple hats ranging from quality assurance, business analysis to project management. Currently, I'm working alongside our Chief AI Officer, 𝐷𝐸, to implement AI solutions at Lucky.
Yeah, thanks for your introduction. Great to hear about you. Let's start our rapid fire questions to share some insights from your experience.
Of course.
It will gather more insights to others. Coming to our first question. What is your roadmap for AI adoption over next 12 to 18 months?
We are approaching AI adoption with purpose and momentum, starting with quick wins and scaling towards a bold strategic transformation. We began with the foundation, activating existing MarTech AI, setting strong governance, building AI literacy, and ensuring our data and teams are ready. Next is the acceleration phase, empowering every employee with multi-purpose LLMs and deploying specialized AI solutions like creative pre-testing, predictive intelligence, and campaign automation to boost performance. Then is the leadership phase, which is launching fully custom AI solutions that power hyper-personalized brand experiences, real-time market agility, and category-defining ideas. So for clients, this means faster go-to-market, smarter personalization, and co-created innovation. So I wouldn't call this a roadmap, I will call it a runway.
Yeah, that's a great insight. It is very valuable for us. Coming to our next question. How AI improving user interaction testing compared to traditional test scripts?
So that's a great question. AI simulates a real world unscripted user behavior, adapting flows based on live patterns and edge cases. So think of intent-driven testing versus manual path verification. So this identifies breakpoints in logic that static test scripts miss, especially for multi-touch experiences across mobile, web, and voice. Instead of relying on rigid scripted tests, AI enables exploratory testing, natural language test creations, and self-healing script that adapt to UI changes automatically. And of course, visual testing that understand layout and content intent. So AI is not only enhancing, but it's transforming QA into an intelligent, adaptive, and continuous feedback engine.
And coming to our next question. How AI help in finding the hidden bugs in user experience and integration testing?
So the synthetic creative pre-testing agent is a perfect example of how AI eliminates guesswork and speed up validation. By using digital twin personas, the tool simulates how different audience segment will perceive your creative instantly. AI handles the analysis, smart scoring, and insight generation, providing fast, data-driven, audience-aligned feedback. So this means you can optimize campaigns in minutes, not weeks. So reducing subjectivity, uncovering hidden gaps, and making confident, creative decisions before anything goes live.
Yeah, it is a very great point. Really add more depth to the conversation. Coming to our next question. How AI reduce human errors in requirement validation and business analysis?
NLP-powered logic parsing will help in detecting vague and conflicting language in BRDs, suggest clearer acceptance criteria, map user stories to test plans. So this remove vagueness early on. So it will reduce human error and miss logic in hand.
Yeah, thank you. Well explained. And Can you share an initiative currently your team is leading or involving on AI?
Of course. So through Lucky Labs, we are leading bold initiatives that help our team move forward faster and smarter and create better. But the true logic lies in our mindset. We actively encourage every employee to think beyond the obvious, and there's the promise. If you dream it, Lucky Labs will help you build it. Whether it's a brand voice assistant, a campaign ideation board, or a content co-pilot, we are turning inspiration into innovation. So this is not just about productivity, it's about empowering people to do their best. So behind the scenes, our native AI lab is building proprietary tools that give our partners a competitive edge. One standout is our synthetic creative pre-testing tool, which uses AI to simulate consumer reactions to create creative concepts. So this allows for a faster iteration, sharper insights, and more confident campaign launches to elevate the entire customer journey.
Coming to our next question, is AI helping a business analyst to validate rules and acceptance criteria automatically?
Yes, I would say yes. By automated rule validation agents. So they ingest requirements and run them through scenario generators to verify coverage. If a rule lacks the defined if then logic or can't be tested by AI, we know it's too vague.
Thanks for sharing. I would love to know some other questions. Can you share any one emerging use case in testing that leaders should invest in 2025?
Yeah, of course. So I will say AI accelerated root cause analysis. So agents trained on historical defect patterns, test logs, and session replays can auto triage vague or unclear issues. It can pinpoint likely root causes, also suggest test suite improvement. And all of these drastically reduces developer debugging hours and increases QA efficiency.
It's an insightful approach. Appreciate your clarity. How AI help in finding the cause of test failures faster than traditional debugging?
It works across layers, UI, API, and data, comparing failing steps against non-good patterns. If a test fails, AI suggests which module broke it, what logic was violated, and even the commit that likely introduced the issue, making it faster than conventional debugging methods.
Thank you. It's a great perspective. I appreciate that. Can project managers use AI-generated test data and reports to reduce status review times and decision making?
Definitely. We can deploy predictive QA dashboard with auto-generated summaries for PMs. For example, synthetic test data, it can mirror edge case scenarios. Then you have risk scores. It can predict the likelihood of production issues. And with AI, reports are top to bottom level ready. No more translating complex tech languages into plain English. AI handles that, so insights are instantly usable at every single level.
Yeah, I agree with your answer. Thanks for sharing. Can you share any biggest risk or limitation for using AI too much?
So that's a great question. Overconfidence in auto-generated result is one. Explainability gaps, it's hard to justify why AI flags something. And lack of creative judgment in tone and UX reviews is another one. And the most important one is, the big one is the privacy and bias concern, especially with personas. So that's why our model ensures AI has a thought partner, but humans still lead the decision making.
Thanks for sharing. It's a great conversation with you.
Of course, thank you for having me, Vinay.
Also, thank you to everyone. We partner with enterprise to transform customer and employee experience through AI and digital innovation. If you enjoyed this conversation, be sure to follow us for more episodes and catch you next time with something bigger. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, guys. Bye.